Hello guys, I'm Tech of God and you're watching my channel. Well, in today's video, I'm gonna tell you about that how to play WWE 2K16 in your Android device. Well, I know that you guys search many times for this topic and you always see the fake video with the fake way for getting WWE 2K16 in your Android device. But guys, my video is legit and I'm showing you the legit way that how to play WWE 2K16 in your Android device. So let's get started. So now first you need to go to Play Store and after you need to search Fly VPN and now click on it at the above. Well, here is you need a VPN to play WWE 2K16 in your Android device. Where it's online, so you need a better internet connection. So now that is all you need to install the VPN first, but only the Fly VPN because many apps for giving the VPN are fake or are not working in Play Store, but this one 100% works, so that is very awesome. So now it's installed, so now I'm going to open this app. Well guys, you need to register to this app, so make an account and register, and after you can use it. Well, I already registered, so I don't need to register again. So now I'm going to log in. And now I log in, as you can see here. So that is all you need to click at the above headline, and after you need to choose the China, and at the above Shanghai 2, click on it, and after click on the power button, and after it will show you a pop-up like this, so click on the OK, and now it's connecting, and now it's successfully connected. So after doing this, that is all you need to download a Xbox emulator for Android device. So now I'm going to show you. Well, you need to go to www.51ias.com. Well, that's a Chinese website, but only because of this you can play 2K16 in your Android device. As you can see, here is the site opens. So when the site opens, you need to click at the left. Here is the app at the left, as you can see here. Well, click on it, and now after click at the above the Android icon. Here is, and after it will show you a page like this, so click on the download button. Here is the download button, and now click on it, and now choose the latest version 2.2, and after click on the download. Well, I am using the UC browser because UC browser is much better for downloading the apps and larger files. So you can also try the UC browser if you had not, so you can install it and try it. So now I'm going to download this app. But now you are thinking that why I told you to connect to a VPN for downloading this. Well, because it's a Chinese website and you must need a Chinese internet and or a server or IP. So that is why I tell you. So now it's downloading. where it's also a Chinese online app. So FlyVPN helps you to use this. And now as you can see that the app is successfully downloaded. So that is all you need to install it. So click on it to install it, and after click on the install button. And now as you can see that the app is successfully installed in my Android device. So you need to open it, so click on the open button. And swipe right to skip it, and click on the right option. Here is, and now as you can see here is the page where click at the right option at the below. Here is this option, and click on the right one. And now here is the Xbox emulator. So now I'm going to show you that how to play WWE 2K16 with this emulator. So now you need to click on the left option at the above like that, and now swipe right, and you will see a search option, a magnifying icon. Here is the green box. Now click on it, and now as you can see at the below that here is the WWE 2K16. So now click on it, and after click on the left option, and now click on the right option, and now just listen. Well, there are two options for checking your internet speed. So if the left one is not working, so you can click on the right one. But when you click on the right one like that, you will see like this. So click on the right one option again, and after it will be scanning your internet speed. So after scanning your internet speed, the game will be automatically starts. So now I'm going to show you my gameplay. So I show you the legit way that how to play WWE 2K16 in your Android device, and I also show you my gameplay. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks and God bless. And if you want to learn from me anything at live, so you can click on my website link, where the link of my website is given in the description. So go to my website link, and after you can learn from me anything at live. And please stay tuned with my channel if you want to know about some updates about technology per day and week, and if you want to learn from me anything.